6 psychological tricks to effectively manipulate any situation you're in. 1. Every time you see someone you know, smile and say hello. They'll think of you as a nice person and may be more likely to help you out in the future. 2. When someone's shy in speaking, look at them, make eye contact, and nod. It encourages them to continue talking. 3. If you want someone to tell you more about something, stay quiet. They'll usually fill the silence by giving you more information. 4. Instead of saying "I know," say "you're right." It'll make you look less like an asshole and make them feel smart. 5. If you want to find out who someone likes the most in a group, pay attention to who they look at after someone says something funny. They tend to look to their favorite person as they laugh. 6. Instead of asking, "Do you have any questions?" ask, "What questions do you have?" People will be more likely to speak up. Which trick do you like the most? Tell me in comments.